Andrew from the Daily News. My response to that is that as the head of an electoral management body, I ordinarily and normally decline from commenting directly on what may or may not have been said by individuals, especially since I wasn't there. A certain person or gentleman who's aggrieved is calling for my resignation. On what basis? I'm not aware of the basis of the call for resignation, and I would encourage that individual to utilize remedies that are provided by the law if he wishes for me to resign. I'll consider whatever it is that he has to say. He probably has something that he feels that has been aggrieved, or he's aggrieved by something, but I ordinarily don't respond to what individuals say, and I would welcome a written application for my resignation and the basis for calling for my resignation.